how everything comes shipped to you. It has all this foam so it keeps it safe. And this is one of the fronts right here. So one of the things that is nice about these coilovers is that it does have dampening adjustments, which is usually found on the more expensive coilovers. So it's nice that they were able to include it on such a budget-friendly coilover. And the top hats also have camber adjustment as well. And at the bottom, it's also a little bit slotted too, so you can add a little bit of extra camber if you need it. This is kind of what I was worried about because the Fortune Auto ones that are on the car are already slotted. So it's nice that it's already slotted for us.
So before we bolt everything down, I just wanted to explain the reason why we slot the coilover. It's because if you need more room for adjustment, this is the easiest way to get camber. You just slightly bore out the hole of the top coilover bolt right here. You push it into whatever degree of camber that you need for clearance or whatnot, and then you just pretty much lock the bolts down and it'll stay just like that. And this is totally safe. We've been doing this for years. A lot of people do it this way as well, especially if you need more or you're maxed out on your bottom arm or your top camber plates. So this is an easy, cheap way to get more camber if you need it. Alright guys, so I just wanted to go over some comparisons real quick from your budget coilover from Max Peeling Rods versus your more expensive coilover like these Fortune Autos right here. Now the first thing that I can tell you is that this is a pretty well built coilover. Now a lot of people talk down about budget coilovers, but some are good and some are bad. It really just depends on which ones that you purchase. You can get the $250 ones, which will be something like this green one here. I had bought these as a replacement, a last minute replacement shock for the 350Z. And these things, as you can tell, it does not have any dampening adjustment. And look at the size of this shock rod right here. It's super skinny compared to the Max Peeling Rods one. Look at the size difference. Now, I can tell you firsthand experience that I've ran budget coilovers on the 350Z for about 3 years and they held up pretty fine. These are the ones that I had on 350Z. If you can see, like I said, this is the shock rod on the 350Z. The reason why there's no coilover on here is because I was bags. But this one also has dampening adjustment. So these lasted me a good 3 years. If you can see, the shields are still good. It didn't blow. But I upgraded to some BC Racing coilovers. Anyway, if you look at the Max Peeling Rods, these are much more well built than your typical $250 ones, like the green one here. So that's just a comparison that I wanted to go over. As far as like all the features of the Fortune Auto, you get that same type of feature on the Max Peeling Rods for a budget price. If you can afford to go Fortune Auto, by all means go for it. But if you're on a tight budget and you still want a quality coilover, I definitely recommend the Max Peeling Rods.
So I just got back from driving the car around just to see how the ride would feel, and it actually feels really good. I think it's probably due to the dampening adjustment on it. I have it on full soft, so it pretty much feels like a stock car, and I really like how it rides. We are gonna go back bag, but I just wanted to say thank you to Max Peating Rods for sending these coilovers out so we can review them and show you guys just a cheaper alternative to some of the more expensive coilovers. So if you guys do want to go ahead and pick up these coilovers, they have warehouses in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, and also Germany, and they're all with free shipping. And they don't only sell coilovers for the 240, they have different ones for different makes and models. They also sell connecting rods with all the ARP hardware and also turbos and so much more. You guys can go ahead and check it out. There's going to be a link to their website down below, and you guys can use our promo code. It's going to be NOJERI for 8% off. So that's going to be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching and rocking with us. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and stay good.